Good morning guys, hope you're all well. Today I think while I'm waiting on some car parts I'm going to try and get these headlights sorted because they are shockingly bad at the moment, as you can see right here. I'll put the video there. I'm going to head up to, going to find like an Asda or something near here and see about getting something to sort it. So I'm going to get to Asda now and we'll go from there.
Club card accepted. Unexpected item in backing. Please take your change.
Alright, so I've just got my stuff. Apparently the Arm & Hammer, the one with the baking soda in it, works the best. Also picked up a quid pack of toothbrushes as well. And it's just suddenly occurred to me as well, last time that I was in this car park, it was actually Extreme BHP. And some of you will know how that went. So, alright, so I'm just going to get a quick Starbucks and head on home and we'll crack on with it. Just want to point out as well guys, if you do film in Asda, they do not like it and you will be asked to turn it off. And if there's any Asda representatives watching this, I do apologise and I will not do it again. Might as well drive a Fiat 500 the amount of times that I go to Starbucks. Alright, so hopefully you can hear me. I'm going to give it a quick once over with the Blue Goblin Afterglow, and then I will start to apply the toothpaste and scrub it with a toothbrush, wipe it away, and then we'll go from there, see if it needs doing again. Alright, so there's definitely been an improvement, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it one more go with the toothpaste, and we'll see. We'll have a look at the other headlight and we'll compare the two. Alright, so I'll give it a second go. I'll do the comparison now. I'll tell you what I think. Alright, so this is the one we've just been doing the work on. And this is the other one here. Alright, so honest truth, I'm a little bit disappointed with it really. I think I've seen this work sometimes, I've seen it not work, so I think God's honest truth, I think it might just depend on how bad the state of the headlights are. I think mine are just too far gone to be repaired with toothpaste as such. I think they need something a bit rougher, probably need sanding down or whatever, but just thought it might be a good idea to give it a go for the sake of £2.50. So I mean, don't get me wrong, there are some, it is clearer. The lens is definitely clearer, but I think it's just cleared up one sort of like layer of dirt. And I know these headlights per layer have never ever been touched. So I mean, this car's got 131,000 miles on it, so it's not a surprise to me. But I need to get them sorted because I don't think, in all honesty, I don't think they would pass their MOT, because obviously you need to have clear headlights. So yeah, I'll have to get this properly restored, or maybe buy a new set, I don't know yet. you know, like new headlights are fairly cheap anyway for this model. So so yeah, I don't want to say it's not a fail, but it's definitely not a win on this occasion, sadly. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, obviously it could work for you, but this time unfortunately for me it hasn't. So but yeah, like I said, for the sake of £2.50 it was worth it. But it's just a bit of a different video this time for you. But I just want to say as well, for everyone that's subscribed to my channel, we're almost at 3,000 subscribers, which is a bit crazy. So I appreciate everyone that's subscribed, and I know all the OG ones from when I started just doing the videos on the Civic as well. So we've come a long way in the past 9 months now, almost 9 months. So yeah, I appreciate everyone that's subscribed. So thanks for watching. Take it easy, guys. Alright, so it's actually a couple hours later. I thought I just couldn't leave the headlights like the way they were, so I put a bit of a poll on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, by the way, at OriginalFox. Someone got in contact with me, Mel, who's actually a subscriber to this channel as well, so shout out Mel and thank you for recommending him. A lad called Hayden. I will put his information up here and then I'll put it in the information below as well. He's going to restore my headlights, and he's actually come to my house to do it as well, which is really good. So only take about an hour or so, and we'll see how they turn up. So I've had to bring in the professionals, boys. I'm sorry. Thought I could do it myself. Can't be done.